Santa delivered this year. I'm not even gonna lie. Dude, one thing that impressed me so much about this drone is how steady it was just when it was in the air, when I just first flew it for the first time. And granted, there wasn't that much wind, but it was so steady. It was incredible. Yeah, and it was honestly not that hard to fly. I've never flown a drone before, and it wasn't super difficult. I think DJI and the software they use for the iPhone and the app really makes everything pretty straightforward and pretty easy. But despite that, I actually almost crash landed it on my first landing. So basically what happened is I thought if I just pressed on the app, like on my iPhone to land, that it would do an automatic return to home and land, but it just lands right where it is. And so I almost landed in a tree. Luckily, I think I missed the branches by like a few inches. It really sucked to crash the drone on the very first day. I still have a lot to learn. I don't really know how to do like any cinematic movements or anything. So yeah, we're gonna finish off this video with just a cinematic sequence of my second flight. Whenever it becomes evening time tonight, I'm gonna go to the park, see if I can get some cinematic shots, just to show you what you can do day one with your drone with no experience. You should be able to get shots just like this. Subscribe if you want to see more videos about camera stuff and filmmaking and photography and how you can use those to make money for yourself. Yeah. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.